Millions left in limbo after a judge puts the brakes on President Obama's new immigration program.
Yeah, 26 states, including Arizona, fought for the injunction, and tonight immigrant families are just hoping that this gets resolved very soon. Nick Saletti has concerns from both sides of this issue. Nick, what did you find out?
Yeah, guys, right now there is a rally happening behind me in front of the federal courthouse. You can see them there. They're holding signs. They just took down a banner. They want the judge to overturn that ruling. They want some action taken. But right now they're going to have to wait because of that federal judge's ruling late last night, putting a hold on the president's executive action. But that doesn't mean they're giving up hope.
They've been paying taxes all their life ever since they arrived here. They have been doing everything right that a community member does.
If Adalia Cervantes is looking for two heroes, she says she doesn't have to search that far. There's no one else she looks up to more than her parents, who crossed over from Mexico more than 20 years ago to make a better life for her entire family.
We're heartbroken. We heard about this at midnight and it was tears.
Tears over a federal judge's decision in Texas late Monday night, putting a hold on President Barack Obama's executive action on immigration.
It's not healthy for a human being to be living under the shadows.
We were happy with the result.
Arizona Attorney General Mark Brnovich stands by the judge's decision, but he also points out this ruling goes beyond the battle over immigration reform.
This is an important constitutional principle. This isn't just even about immigration. It's about whether the President of the United States can act unilaterally on any legal issue.
A legal issue the Attorney General says should ultimately be decided outside the courtroom. What do you tell the families of these people who woke up and got this news and are heartbroken and in some cases might be scared that their families could be broken apart or are losing hope? What do you tell them?
I think it's very, very unfortunate, but once again, we are a nation of laws and people are frustrated. I understand that, and what we need to do is make sure that we put pressure on Congress, that Congress and the President sit down and come up with a solution.
Idalia and other supporters say yes, there is one more hurdle to clear, but they've come too far to give up now.
I will fight, and I know I have a whole community backing me up that we will make sure that my parents stay in this country. Now,
something else the Attorney General is concerned about if this did become the law of the land is costs. The state would have to pay more for things like benefits, driver's licenses, and giving more students that in-state tuition, again, if this does become law. The White House announced plans today to appeal this decision, Steph.
All right, we will be following it, Nick. Thank you. Meantime, Arizona lawmakers are weighing in on the ruling. Representative Matt Salmon calling it a victory for the Constitution.
What the president did was unconstitutional and illegal, and he even said so himself 22 times that he did not have the authority to do what he did. And so I'm pleased that a federal court has issued a stay of the president's policies of issuing these work permits.
So here's the deal. There's also a bigger issue at play in this debate, and that's funding for the Department of Homeland Security. The agency's $40 billion budget runs out next week. Republicans are blocking the funding unless Democrats get rid of the president's immigration orders completely.
The announcement certainly wasn't a surprise to a lot of people waiting to sign up for deferred action. They were well aware of the controversy. Justin Pizzera is live at a rally in downtown Phoenix where people are still being urged to sign up there. Justin?
Yes, Steve, the rally this morning, this rally here, they basically have the same message that justice may have been delayed, but victory is certain. And these folks are so certain that they are going to get what they want. They're still telling folks to sign up for deferred action. Now, Nancy Perez skipped this morning's rally at the state capitol to take her final GED test. Now, she needs that to qualify for deferred action. Her parents brought her to the country when she was just 13 years old. She's now 38, so to her, this is a game of waiting.
I just have to wait and see what happens because I've been here 25 years, so I can wait a few months, days, weeks, years.
So there's a lot of paperwork to submit your applications for deferred action. You have to have your birth certificates. Everything needs to be spelled correctly, which is an issue, but they say that they are confident that this ruling is going to be overturned, so they want that paperwork in order.